Medium. I can't really feel much air off this thing.
Oh, that sucks.
It is terrible. High speed. I really doubt that anybody would like these because I feel like absolutely almost no air from this thing. I can feel a little bit, but barely anything. This thing really sucks at moving air. Sam, you come feel it for yourself. I barely feel anything. I feel a tiny bit of a breeze, but I can't really feel much. Wait, I can feel a little bit, but nothing. It's not serious amount of air, but this is probably one of the worst Harbor Breeze fans I tested. So yeah, that's it with number one. I'm gonna move on to number two.